Well, Frank has to quit college because his super fertile sister's having 3 babies. Ugh. So I need to make a lot of money really fast, and I had an idea that I wanted to talk to you.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. I'm not good at counting!
Why don't you come and I'll help you find something?
Okay, that'd be great.
Oh, isn't that nice? The 3 of you trying on slutty lingerie together.
That's not what we're gonna do.
Why would you ruin it? Who was I hurting?
Chandler's supposed to find out if he's getting an assistant job at his ad agency. But out of 15 interns, they're only hiring 3.
Ooh, tough odds.
Yeah.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word 3. It means a cardinal number, 2 plus 1. Also means a symbol for this number, as 3 or 3. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce 3, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to 3. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how 3 is used in real life.
So somehow I have to pick between you 3 and Ross.
Oh, what? What was it? The 3 losers.
I have not been sick in over 3 years.
So the other 3, I can be here with you.
The 3 of us?
Yeah, you, Chan, and the vein!
Oh yeah? Have you ever dated anyone who's been divorced 3 times?
That's not... Really? That's like 3 to 4.
Half hour. Oh, isn't that nice? The 3 of you trying on slutty lingerie together.
300?
Well, for how long?
3 months.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.